Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is the Foldabots Assembly Guide. All you need are scissors and glue for the practice parts of Foldabots Toy Book 1. So I put the glue in this little container and I'm going to use the Foldabots glue applicator. So first fold the first part that says cube and add some glue on that little tab that says cube. So try to use the applicator to spread the glue slowly and evenly as you can. It's okay if you get a little part of the glue out of the space, as long as most of it is in there. That's why you're practicing. So once you get those two ends together, you'll be able to build your first cube. A lot of the Foldabots parts are going to use a cube like this. So this is good practice. So hold it on for a little while, like a few seconds, until the parts don't move and you've built yourself a cube. Next, let's build a cylinder. Now a cylinder is something round, so it's nice to use a round shape like a pen or a colored pencil like what I'm using right here. And I'd like you to twist it around the pencil like so until it forms to that shape. Now the cardboard stays a little bit, but it still wants to open up. So that's where the glue comes in. So I think it's better, because I'm a lefty, I put the glue on my left side so that I don't crisscross on my other materials. So putting some glue on that part labeled cylinder, and now I am closing it up. And sometimes it's going to be hard to press it down because it's already a 3D shape. So that's where the pencil comes in. So you can insert the pencil right there to use it as something to push the parts together. Now I'm pushing it with my thumb and pushing it the other direction with the pen. Now after a few seconds, the cylinder has fully cured. So you're all done with the practice parts of Toy Book 1. You're ready to build Foldabots!